Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing good. I'm running out of time today, so I'm gonna just jump straight to the point. See, I've told you guys a lot of times that to have a great mind, you have to meditate. To have a great body, you have to exercise. But sometimes you must be thinking that I haven't told you ever that how to meditate in the first place. So in this video, I'm gonna just give a short and simple demo that how do you have to do it? How do you have to meditate? And I've been doing this stuff for the past 3 years. It has been 3 years almost, and let me just tell you, it's simply a life-changing experience. So let's do it. Let's begin. See, you just have to simply close your eyes, and you can sit the way you want to, and you have to start taking deep breaths. Initially, you can just do it for a few minutes, like 3 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes if you can do it. But 3 or 5 minutes are more than enough when you are beginning. So just close your eyes, relax your shoulders, relax your body, and whatever thought is bothering you, just let it come and go. You don't have to fight any thought. It doesn't matter how positive it is, doesn't matter how negative it is. You just have to let it come, and you will notice that it will pass slowly and slowly. Yes, the negative thoughts will scare you in the beginning, but let me just tell you, they are only thoughts. They are only in your mind, and they cannot do any harm to you. Just focus on your breath. Just focus how your breath is filling your body with positive thoughts and positive energy. And when it leaves your body, just try to think that all the negativities, all the negative thoughts are just slowly and slowly disappearing. After you are done with it, when you think that you cannot do it anymore, you can slowly and slowly open your eyes. So that's it, buddies. See, let me just tell you, just try doing it, and trust me, just cooperate with me for only 7 days, and you will see big changes happening in your life, and you will live a super awesome life. Take care, buddies. All the best.